Hello everybody, my name is Adil Mansoor of Electronic and Instrumentation Department of RMK Engineering College along with my batchmates Ajay and Akash presenting our final year project analysis of dust on the solar panel. Solar energy is the most promising renewable energy which can be used as an alternative for fossil fuels. At present, solar energy has gathered significant attention and is playing a vital role in providing clean and sustainable energy. Global warming is one of the toughest challenges that our world faces today. The production of electricity has become the major cause for different types of pollution, which not only pose threat to the environment but also affects the amount of limited traditional energy sources like coal, petrol, diesel, etc. Where about 63% of this electricity generation was from fossil fuels, coal, natural gases, petroleum, and other gases. This has led to the search of alternative energy sources. Solar energy contributes to about 3% of the renewable energy sources. On an average, in a bright and sunny day, the sun shines approximately 1000 watts of energy per square meter of our planet's surface. Photovoltaic cells are devices that are used to convert sunlight directly into electricity. PV cells are made from special materials called semiconductors like silicon, gallium, etc. Basically, when the light hits the cell, uh, the electrons in the semiconductor excites and the electricity is produced. But the efficiency of the solar depends on different parameters like dust, temperature, sun's orientation, etc. So, and the major problem as it contributes to the reduction of solar cell efficiency is the dust accumulation.
So the objectives of our project is to analyze the effect of temperature and dust falling on the solar panel, and also to prove how this effect has an impact on the efficiency of the solar panel, which could be further explained by me. One of the most predominant parameters that affects the performance of solar panel is dust deposition. The accumulation of dust on the surface of a panel is inevitable and inhibits the amount of sunlight reaching the solar cell, which in turn reduces the performance of solar panels. This analysis show how dust accumulation and the type of dust directly influences the reduction in power generation and its performance. More accumulation of dust is found in a region where there is high rate of dust in wind, low frequency and intensity of rain. There are various techniques that have been employed to clean the dust falling on the panels. However, the analysis of dust and its types falling on the solar panel is not analyzed in proper manner. So, even the cleaning methods that are prevalent is also not that effective. In this proposed system, the study of the effect of dust accumulation on photovoltaic solar panel is done. We have analyzed the dust falling on each cell of the solar panel and the required efficiency drop perspective to the change of the dust falling on the solar PV cells is calculated. By analyzing the dust falling on each cell of the solar panel, it gives us an insight as to how much power loss is present when a single PV cell is accumulated with dust. Depending on the same, the transmission of sunlight varies from 10% to 100. Hence, the PV's full efficiency will not be met. This analysis would help to achieve good results in practice.
In existing methodology, there are various factors that reduce the efficiency of solar cell. Only few local studies have been done on the impact of dust in the degradation of the solar cell efficiency. In the proposed methodology, the study of the effects of dust accumulation on the photovoltaic solar panels is done. We have analyzed the dust falling on each cell of the solar panel and the required efficiency drop respective to the amount of dust falling on the solar PV cells is calculated. By analyzing the dust falling on each cell of the solar panel, it gives us an insight as how much power loss is present when a single PV cell is accumulated with dust. Depending on the same, the transmission of sunlight varies from 10% to 100%. Hence, the PV's full efficiency will not be met. For determining the amount of dust accumulated in each cell, we use a solar meter by which we can determine the solar radiation flux density. with different kinds of dust and also without dust on the panel. Using these data, we will be able to compare the power loss. Various types of dust are analyzed. For example, red color dust, yellow color dust, green color dust, cement sand, and sawdust. Here you can see the block diagram of our proposed methodology. It consists of a monocrystalline solar panel which is connected across the load. A current transducer is connected in series with the panel and a voltage transducer is connected in parallel to the load. So when the dust is accumulated on the cell of solar panel, the corresponding current and voltage values vary and the power drops depending upon the amount of dust accumulated. But when there is no dust accumulated, the power output is 100% theoretically. Here you can see the hardware setup of our project. The components used in this projects are solar panel, solar meter, rheostat, digital voltmeter and ammeter, solar charge controller, temperature sensor, and a DC wire cable.
Result and analysis. In the setup, it consists of monocrystalline solar panel which is connected across the load, which the load is the rheostat. A current sensor is connected in series with the panel, and a voltage sensor is connected in parallel to the load. So when the dust is accumulated on the cell of a solar panel, the corresponding current and voltage values vary and the power drops depending upon the amount of dust accumulated. But when there is no dust accumulated on the panel, the power output is 100%, but it's theoretically because there are various parameters apart from dust which affects the efficiency. So these are the IV and PV curves which are formed for different panels. Uh, First is the clean panel, and the corresponding yellow, red, green are the three different colors having different transmission ratios. And we have found that the output power between a clean panel and the green dust is 12.7942 watts, and the power output between clean and the red panel red is 10.3461 volt. The output between clean and the yellow dust is 3. Output power loss between yellow and green dust is just 3.28. So from this we infer that power loss of yellow is less when compared to red and green. Temperature effect. Temperature effect. Uh, in temp, we have found that temperature is also a major drawback for the efficiency of solar panels. This is the PV curve where uh, the clean panel, and it is compared with two panels with different temperatures. One with a temperature of 54 and the other with 40, and the clean panel's temperature is 45. So by comparing it, we have found that the difference in output power between the clean panel at 45 and dusted panel at 56 is 20.32 watts. And we infer that there is a power drop of 20 when dust is applied with temperature variations of 11 degrees, and the difference in output between the clean panel at 45 and the dusted panel but cooled at 40 degrees Celsius is 13.352 watts. From this, we have inferred that there is a power drop of only 13.3, with a temperature variation of 5 degrees Celsius. Hence, from comparing output powers of clean panel and the dusted panel at two different temperatures, we infer that when the panel is overheated, huge power loss occurs, which is which is 20 83.14 power drop. These are the slides and short clips which we did during our analysis. We took the corresponding voltage and current for different loads.
From this, we can conclude that due to temperature and dust effect, there is a power loss of 83.14% in our solar panel. When even more layers of dust is sedimented, the power drop is increased again and the irradiation falling on the panel is also further decreased. By giving a proper and cleaning and cooling method, we can improve this output power above 80%. This is only possible when we have a complete knowledge about the type of the dust that are accumulated on the solar panel. Thank you.